What's going on YouTube? My name is Barry. Welcome back to Huang Bros channel. Thank you for tuning in, and I've got something kind of different today. This is probably, I would say, I don't know if you like it or not, just let me know in the comments below. Maybe you can tell by the title, but I have something that came in the mail, and it came from FIGS. Yep. Now let's see what's inside. I mean, you can already tell from the title, but I've got a little FIGS flex plate, you know, not really a flex plate, but it's a foot plate. So if you could tell, maybe I could take it off and show you. Now you're like, well, why the hell would I need to waste my money on something like that? Like, why would you need a foot plate if you already have a floor mat? If you already have like carpet, like why do you need that? Well, you know, carpet's cool, you know, mat's cool, but oh wait, let's look at something. What the heck, you know? Over time, you know, just over time, this thing, you know, Lexus RC, it I brought it over with me, and it just, you know, usage. Look at that hole. Talk to me. So, you know, I was like, why not? If I'm gonna get another set of these later on, which I plan to eventually, why not have fun with it, try something different, and install a foot plate? That way I can get better grip. Now, a foot plate designed by FIGS, it's meant for, this is the street version, all right? This is the street version. It's got a bunch of like hexagons, right? That are, you know, hexagons. That is supposed to help provide traction for your foot. So, you know, it's supposed to do something. So today I'm gonna install that and just test it out. You know, here, I'm gonna show you before I install it and then after I install it, and I'll give you my review on it. All right, let's just open this, see what's in here. The FIGS flex plate. So first initial touch, it is very grippy. It's very textured, brushed. I'll say it's brushed. It's very, it's not soft at all. But these hexagons, I wonder if they cut skin. Ooh, you know, FIGS, made by FIGS. You can get it at Shop FIGS, but just look at this thing. Ooh. We have the little screws that come with it. Okay, let's make some holes, install this thing, and see how this foot plate works. I might not install it. I'm just gonna try this on. Just do that, drive around with it like that, and see if I even feel any difference. All right, I got my carpet back in. Now to put foot plate. I don't know, maybe down here? I'm not too sure. Maybe down here. Hell, I might just do one there. That way I can leave this alone. First impressions, it's I do feel grip. It's not, I mean, if I was to move this away, you know, it's got grip, but there's no actual, like, you know, texture points. There's no traction there. So maybe, you know, some people get better shoes, but I'm not gonna get some shoes just for driving. That's kind of stupid. Again, this is all just trial and error. So I'll put it down there. It's not bad. I mean, it feels a lot more texture. Again, this is just a foot plate. It's like, you know, something you just play around with. But for those that have like cages and like takes out carpets and like make it full race car, I think this plate is probably pretty well worth it. Put on some CarPlay, just because. Come on, CarPlay. Oh, CarPlay's activated. Oh, I got my Waze. I love my Waze. I love that screen. Okay, well, time to just test this thing out and drive around. Okay, I'm driving, and my initial impressions are, it honestly does slide less. Now, I'm not saying I'm putting my foot inside the hexagon, but I am gonna say that my foot over the metal has a lot of traction. Like I showed you before, there's a lot more texture. I definitely feel my foot a little bit more, not planted, but it's not planted, it's not like suspension, but it's like, you know, it's, how to describe it, it's not sliding. I do notice that, so something a little different. And if I do put my heels inside the foot plate, it's actually not moving. Let me see if I can show you a view. I have my heel inside the hexagons, you You know, it's just feels like something to do, but it's actually not sliding unless I'm purposely making it slide. Yeah, so it's a little different. It's a little different. I do have to get used to it. I don't think I wasted my money. It's definitely feel more traction. I think I'm overthinking it right now. I think I should just drive and just let it be, because right now I'm moving my foot trying to see if I can grab traction, if I can just, you know, make it do something, but it's just gonna be there. You know, it's not gonna do anything for you. You're just gonna have to feel the effects of it, which is helping your foot not move, so you can have better reaction on the foot brake and the acceleration. Okay, well, I'm gonna try taking it off and just try it again and see what happens this time without the plate. So slide this over and try that out. Definitely missed the traction, I'll tell you that. I will definitely say I missed the traction of the foot plate. The shoes feels kind of soft, and then the rubber feels a little soft, so somewhat sliding a little bit. All right, guys, I've parked, and my review of the FIGS foot plate. I guess I can turn my car off now, right? So my review of this is that it definitely is a hit or miss. I can see why people would not buy it. I can see why people would buy it. I can see why, you know, it was created in general for all the race enthusiasts or spirited drivers. I can see how this would help me. So there are a lot of times where when I would go on a mountain run or something, drive spiritedly, my foot would lose its placement. My foot would lose its placement, and it's just, I don't know. This thing, I think this would make a change if I was to go on a mountain drive, because it's a lot. Can you hear that? It's got some traction. I'm not gonna lie, it's got some traction, and the more I drove on it, the more I felt the flat ground plate, as opposed to something like the rubber that can slide. I think so. What I am going to do is I probably am going to put that in there, and I probably am going to put it in there. All right, well, I'm going to install this thing. I have my carpet, or my mat. I have it pretty aligned to the line right there. I think this is my comfortable spot. By pencil, make a little mark, and now got that one and that one. Now I'm going to begin making holes. I don't really got much, but I got this with my name on it, and I'm just gonna just force it through. Just do it. Yep, I feel it stabbing me in the thigh. Yep, that's gonna be one hole. Yep, it's punctured through. Now for the second one. I mean, after all, this is a rubber mat, so let's make a little hole. All right, let's see. And it's through. Okay, time to yank this out and put the foot plate on. New plan of action. I poked this through. Now I'm gonna feed this on top, the screw on top, and just bolt it in. Well, now that I brought the this part through, I can feed this through and just screw it in, and just like that. All right, just like that, it is installed. All right, it's installed. So, and no, you don't have to torque it to spec. You don't. Now I'll put this in and give it a try. If you like my fire hydrant, let me get a thumbs up. Okay, well, it doesn't move, it doesn't slide. That's all I needed to do, not slide. And I'm gonna try to give it another try. I think it looks great, it feels great. Let me know what you think. I think it looks pretty cool. Feels good, doesn't move. So I mean, it matches, everything matches. So all right, guys, I really like what it looks like. I like the way it feels like. And if you want to try it out, give it a go. It's like 60 bucks, 10 bucks for shipping from FIGS. So just try it. That's just the street version. So if you like what you saw, if you think if you're gonna try something, just let me know. Ask questions, I'll answer them. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you later. Peace.